Hi everybody, it's Cathy. Welcome back. Today I'm meeting a friend for lunch, so I thought that I would do a very quick get ready with me. And if you are interested in seeing how I achieved this look, then stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna start with some primer, and I'm using the Hourglass primer. And when I prime my face, I also do my eyelids so I know that they are done. Everything will be listed below. And I'm gonna get rid of some of this redness that I have on my cheeks. A little bit of this stuff goes a long way. I think I put a little bit too much of that on. And today I'm using the only full coverage foundation that I own, and it is by Estee Lauder. They're double wear, and I wear it in the shade Pebble. My only complaint about this foundation is I wish that they had a pump on the bottle. I did buy one because you can buy one from MAC, but I just think for the price you pay, they could put in a pump, or put a pump on the bottle. So I just like to put it on with my fingers first. And then I'm just going to dampen a BeautyBlender. Put a little bit more on the back of my hand. And that might be too much. We'll see. And then I'm just gonna blend it in. Now I do not wear this makeup every day, but I did wear it whenever I had filmed my holiday gift guides, and so many of you complimented me on how nice my makeup looks, so I thought I'd just share what I had done with you. So I'm sort of trying to recreate those looks from the gift guides. The one thing I do not like about this foundation is I find that it brings attention to my pores. And who wants to bring attention to their pores? But I'm gonna fix that in a minute. Now I'm just gonna go in with a concealer, and this is a MAC. I can't see the shade. Like I said, I'll put everything below. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on the tip of the BeautyBlender and just bounce it under the eyes. And do the other eye. Multitasking. Ooh. I could use a brow lift. So now I'm going in with Miss Charlotte. And I just pat it into my skin. I love this stuff. So now I'm going to do my brows. And hopefully I'll stay in frame. This is my Anastasia Brow Wiz. And just use light strokes. My brows are barely visible because they're so fair. I've thought about getting them tattooed, but I'm a little scared to do that. I think it would hurt. And then what if the person does a bad job? Then you're kind of stuck with really scary looking eyebrows. And then I'm just gonna go in with some clear brow gel. This is Benefit Ready Set Brow. So that's that. I think I'm gonna do my eyes and then I'll finish my face. So what I did for my eyes in that look was I just used a single color, and this just happens to be the Burberry in Rosewood. And I'm just going to put it in the crease and a little bit above the crease. This is a very nice color. I'd be happy to wear this color just by itself. It's just barely there. Notice I even have some dry skin on my eyelids. Oh, my skin is driving me nuts. I'm going in with the Stila Kitten that I got last Christmas. And that's all that I'm going to put on my lids. I like how this looks from far away, but not up close, because it looks like I have lizard eyelids. It really shows all the, I don't know what you call them, wrinkles, cracks, crevices. But it looks nice from far away. And I find when I first put it on, it has a tingling sensation. Then I'm just going to take just a blending brush from Wet n Wild and just going to blend that all over the eyelid to make it smooth. Like I said, I wouldn't want to do a close-up because it's scary, but from far away. And I'm meeting a friend for lunch today, so I don't think she's gonna be up in my nose checking out my eyelids. So that's all I did for that. And tap it in the crease color and just go over the crease to make it all blended in. And I forgot to bring a highlight color, but oh well, it's not the end of the world. Now I'm going to do my eyeliner on the top, which I often don't do because I'm not that good at it. So just tugging very gently, and I'm just going on the lash line. This is a Lancome pencil. And that's the problem I have. It always smudges underneath. So I just take my Beauty Blender and clean it up. And do the other eye. I don't do a wing or anything because my eyes are droopy, so it would just bring them down. Pretty scary in 10 times magnification. So then I'm going to go back in with the Rosewood using my Charlotte smudger brush. And I'm just going to connect the dots. I'm starting in the corner of the top eyelid and just smudging this color all underneath the bottom lash line because I don't put mascara on my lash line, on my bottom lashes, I mean. And this color is very nice. It's just a barely there color, but you can see it. And then I'm going to take just a white pencil and just line the lower waterline. I'm just gonna try this. Just cheat a little because I forgot the highlighting color. I don't know if it's doing anything, but we're multitasking. So that's that. And I'm gonna go in with my mascara. Do one coat. I like this mascara, but I find the brush is big. But I do like what it does for my lashes, and it is the Too Faced Better Than Sex. And I'll put a second coat. And now, what do I want to do? My bronzer. This is the Charlotte Tilbury palette with the, oh my goodness, the blush, and I don't think this is available anymore. So I'm just going to bronze all over. And then for my blush, I am going to use, it's the Cosmetics Quoi. And I forgot to bring my highlighter down too, but this is okay because it has a little bit of a highlight in it. And this brush really packs the pigment. It really, you have to have a light hand. And if you don't like what you did, you just take your powder brush and go like that. So now I'm going to line my lips, and I'm just using an old It Cosmetics Your Lips But Better. I don't have a red lip liner. So I just make do with what I have. I have very thin lips. It's about the only thing that's thin on me. Now going in with my red lipstick. Which I find turns pink on me. Even with, even if I don't wear like a lip liner under it, to me it looks pink. And now I'm just gonna put a little red lip gloss over it. Maybe this will make it more red. And then I'm going to spritz my face. And then I'm going to spritz my perfume. A lot of spritz going on. My hair is getting really long in the back. And that's it. That's my finished look. Let me know in the comments section what you think about my look, and if you've enjoyed this and would like to see more Get Ready With Me's, please let me know. If you haven't subscribed, I hope that you will, and I will see you very soon. Bye.